Got a little bit of a pocket dump update. Still the Milwaukee flashlight. Now I got a deluxe Tinker. This is the 4-inch crescent wrench. Came with an orange grip. I took that off. I couldn't stand it. And the Knipex Cobras, the XS. This is a Right in the Rain. And this is also a Right in the Rain. And this is my EDC pen. I love this thing. This is the G750 by Zebra. It's all metal. I love this thing. And yeah, there's my pocket dump update. I forgot this. My 113, and I also got this. This is the Ozark Trail bug out clone. I ground off the black coating, and I'm waiting in the mail for new scales. I got OD green. Yeah. Tell me what you think.